just got the chills. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Deborah, the Ordinary Gal. Hello, nice to see you guys. I am so glad you joined me today. If you guys are ready, we're just gonna jump right into it. We're going to do an unboxing back from vacation. Like, I got so many boxes. I got my boxycharm. I did look at the boxycharm because I picked up all the boxes like on my way to the grocery store because we have like almost no groceries coming back from vacation. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys like a whole little unboxing and then the things I also picked up from vacation that I absolutely just love and adore. So if you guys are wanting to see that 2019 unboxing, and just keep on watching. Thank you guys so much for those who stuck around. Do not forget to subscribe. Do it right now, please. Just go down there, hit that little subscribe button. I just surpassed 200, so just make sure you are subscribed. I am a beauty-driven channel, so I do a lot of beauty kind of stuff on here. And I will be putting up some vlogs, though, from my recent vacation. So yeah, just make sure that you are stay tuned for that and you like this video if you enjoy unboxings. Try to go through this as quickly as possible so it's not a very long video. I'm trying to cut down my videos this year. So I will tell you, I did open it like I said. My daughter already took the matte Ofra lippy that was in here. It was a full-size matte liquid lipstick. So just to let you guys know that it has been kind of stolen from me, but that is what the inside looks like. So the first thing that you get here is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. You do get a full-size palette every single month in these boxes, just FYI. But this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. Look at the back. So look, you can see all my stuff. So let me open it. I haven't swatched or anything like that. My sister just recently bought one of these and she absolutely loves it. It is an all shimmer palette, so you know you would need some mattes and stuff like that for if you are traveling with this. And I think they have like a mattes one too, volume 1 or 2. I'm not sure exactly, but look at these colors here. How pretty are those? You can definitely use some of these for highlights too, no doubt. So let me go ahead and swatch a couple. Oh, maybe there's one matte. Yeah, there's one matte, it looks like. So there's the matte. I'll just swatch a couple. I'm just doing one swipe too. So I think the next one will be that one. There, 2 swipes on that one. And then put it right there. Wow, that's pretty. That's really pretty. So super excited I got that. Cannot wait to use it. Super pretty. I will definitely be using it as like a little inner corner highlight, maybe some brow bone highlight and some regular highlight right here. So I am so excited I got that. I'm glad I didn't buy this. I don't have too many eyeshadow palettes, but I think I did all of them now. That's it. So yeah, definitely awesome that you get that. The next thing that we get in this package, or this this box, is the Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. No sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. So I did tell them that I didn't want any hair stuff. I literally don't do anything or put anything in my hair, as you can tell. I kind of just leave it the way it is and either put it up or leave it down. So I'm kind of bummed out about this, to be honest. It smells like soap. It smells very, very soapy. I don't really like the smell. It's very strong and soapy. So I'll probably use this in my boxycharm try-on. I will definitely have to use that, as well as the palette. The next thing that you get is the $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. I don't know about you guys, but I do not like these universal brow pencils. For somebody with my hair, it's very dark. I have very dark eyebrow hair, so I don't think this would work for me. Let me just give it a little swatch here. So that's the first swatch. And then let's see how good we can build this up. It kind of just stays the same. Got a little bit darker, I guess, compared to that, but though, for sure. And this spoolie is very harsh. It's like something, you know, like you would buy or you would get as like those little free ones that you get from Sephora or whatever. It's kind of worse than those. It's very super hard. I don't like it. So, but like I said, it's 12 months opening time you get, or shelf life, whatever. And it comes with a spoolie, and then it comes with the brow product. We have 2 of the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks. I am super excited for this. I cannot freaking wait. Here is what it looks like. And that is what it is right there. It's just, I'm so excited you get 2 of these. I think, if I'm not mistaken, these are 20 bucks on their website. So that is a good deal. You got that. Boxy and Chill. So the Briogeo Roscaro Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray is 2 ounces, and the MSRP is $12. So it's like a little travel size one. The next one is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. It is a matte liquid lipstick. The MSRP for that is 20 bucks. The Tarte Limited Edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette, Volume 3, is 36 bucks. The Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask, a 2-pack, is $24. I don't know. $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil. Okay, so I'm not mad at it. It says works with most skin tones and brow colors, so just not for me. It is very smooth. I do not like the spoolie at all, but the way it glides on it, and the pigment is there, and it's very nice. It just doesn't match well with me, and I do not like that spoolie, like I said. That one is going to retail for 18 bucks. So that is not too shabby, guys. That was a good box overall. So, next thing. Next box I'm moving on to was the Ulta box right here that I got. It's kind of a mess. So I did order this for my trip so I can take it on my trip, but it didn't get here in time. But it is the Fruit Infused Coconut Water Weightless Shampoo. So I got that, and then I got because I needed to spend a couple more bucks to get the free shipping. So I got the Ulta Nail Polish Remover, the acetone one. The Laura Geller, the Weekender. This guy I got for 14 bucks. I'm super excited. It is 3 pallets for 27 bucks, but I got it on sale. It was on sale on top of that. So I will show you guys what they look like. The first one says Flirty Friday, and it is a face, eye, and cheek palette. So that is what the first one looks like. Super cute. I did already swatch them. They're all very beautiful. I love all but one of the blushes, but super cute. This one is Saturday Style. That is what that looks like. A little bit more of a party kind of scene evening palette here. Beautiful. And then the next one is Sunday Fun Day. That one's more of a neutral kind of palette. I love the blush on here too, as well as the highlight, just right up my alley there. But very nice neutral colors for a chill Sunday. Okay, moving on to my next one. This one is actually just nails. I got this from Amazon. Tips to do my nails. I got a bunch of them. I think there's like 50 in each package from 1 through 10. So really excited to do my nails. Those, they need to be redone. Definitely. The next thing I received was from Kate Spade. I ordered one of these mugs right here, and it has my first initial on it and says Kate Spade down there at the bottom. It's just a little coffee mug. It's plastic, and it has like this kind of plasticky rubber top. But yeah, this was really cute. It was 18 bucks. I got off the Kate Spade website. You get free shipping, free returns if you don't like it. So yeah, I thought it was super cute and fun. The next thing I got from Kate Spade, look at how pretty they wrapped that up for me. was this little dish for your rings to put in your bathroom, for your rings or for your soap or whatever you want to use it for. It has my initial on it, and it is pink as well. And then this is made by Lennox. It's from Kate Spade, but it's made by Lennox, which is a really good crystal brand. They make a lot of crystal stuff. So yeah, that one was actually on sale. I want to say it was 12 bucks for that. In my Sephora package, I got the Fresh or the Philosophy Shimmering Snow Lace. I buy these every year after they go on sale. This one was 9 bucks. I bought 2 of them, and it smells really good. The next thing I got was the Urban Decay Space Powder. It is a shimmering powder for face and body. You get 2.5 grams. I think this one was 9 bucks if I'm not mistaken. It was really, really inexpensive. I thought it was so super cute. I did try it in the store, and I was absolutely obsessed with it when I tried it. So this is what it looks like right here. The bottom opens up and reveals a little brush there. And then the top has a little mirror, and then it has your product in there as well. So I'll give that a little swatch for you guys. Look at how pretty that is. It's just a very nice, like a very nice shimmering palette. It does kind of, it's more on the glittery side than, you know, anything, but it's really still pretty. It's your secret to confident skin. I really, really love this cleanser. It's more like a creamy cleanser, and it foams up really nicely, but it's very gentle for dry and sensitive skin. I absolutely love and recommend this cleanser, and it was on sale. I think this was 11 bucks. It's regularly 14, but I got it for 11. And then it also came with the secret sauce. I've got quite a few of those now, and I'm going to be excited to start using them. And then I just got a couple samples. The Touche Eclat, yeah. Medium coverage, natural luminous finish, oil-free, SPF 23. So that's what I'm wearing today, actually. I put on the B50 medium one, as well as mixed it with the light B30. So yeah, got that. So my husband, I was relaxing. He went out to go gamble. I don't like to be in the gambling area because it is very super smoky. And the gambling space on a cruise ship is a lot smaller than it would be in like a Vegas hotel or something like that. So I was kind of chilling in my room, which is a vacation in itself for me because my kids were out at the swimming pool. They were running around, eating, whatever. And my husband was up doing what he likes, enjoys to do to relax, is gambling. So I was just relaxing in my room. He came back and he won some money, and he brought me this right here. And it is a Pandora little charm. That is what it looks like there. And it is a little turtle, which is my favorite, as you can tell maybe by my background. I've got tons of turtles back there. But yeah, he got me a little turtle charm, and I'm going to put this on my necklace, I'm sure, every once in a while. But I thought it was super cute and so sweet because he knows I like turtles. So I love that. The next thing I got was, I bought this in, I think when we were in Dominican Republic is when I bought this. And it came in this little box you got to pick. But it's this, and it's from, this naturally is, like this stone is naturally derived from the Dominic. So it's just a really beautiful, beautiful red or blue stone. And it is in one of my favorite things, which is a turtle. So I loved it so much. It's just silver, and then it has the stone in the middle. I got a good deal. It was 50 bucks, which I know was pretty high. And then I got him down to 35. So I thought that was a pretty good win. So love this one too. Can't wait to wear that one. So guys, that is my unboxing for January 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will be doing a giveaway, like I said, for my 200 subscribers. Thank you so much again. And then I'm also going to be doing on a boxy haul try on. So watch out for that video as well if you're interested. So thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I hope you guys have a beautiful month. beautiful day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.